The hardest thing is to face my own fear. If I fell, who's gonna wipe my tears? I wonder sometime when things will get better. I feel like giving up and just be a quitter. Get drunk every day and probably be bitter. I can't sit back and be a fucking loser. I always knew that I was a winner. Is it because my confidence, or maybe the faith in me? Probably believing my own deceit. Pressure on my shoulder make it so hard to breathe. Time to go to work and roll up my sleeve. Why do I believe only in me? Cause one day I will succeed. Forget everybody who doubted me. Filling up my heart with negativity. Shit, the only way is to be optimistic. Even when shit is a damn hectic. Money so sweet, now I'm diabetic. I love fame so much, I'm an addict. Take these two away or be tragic. It never be tragic. Why? Cause my life is magic. Yeah, cause my life is magic. Eternal burn. Yeah.